Side effect of apple cider vinegar. When taken in moderation, apple cider vinegar is usually regarded as safe for ingestion. However, prolonged or excessive use of ACV may have certain unwanted consequences. Because ACV is so acidic, ingesting it in excessive doses or undiluted form can lead to digestive troubles like indigestion, heartburn, and stomach pain. It can gradually erode tooth enamel. It is advised to dilute ACV with water. Rinse your mouth after usage, or use a straw to avoid direct contact with teeth in order to reduce this danger. ACV may affect the potassium levels in the body. Low potassium levels, hypokalemia, which can induce symptoms including weakness, muscular cramps, and irregular heartbeats. ACV in some medicines, including insulin, diuretics, and potassium-lowering medications, may interact. Before consistently ingesting ACV, it is advised to speak with your doctor if you take any drugs. Direct application of undiluted ACV to the skin may result in dryness, redness, and irritation.